Hey YouTube, MinnesotaEric here. If you have a 2016 RZR or General that will not start at 35 degrees or lower without using starting fluid ether, then I've got a tip for you. The stock Polaris relays don't clickety-clack in the cold. Polaris has got an updated relay. You might be able to get these things for free, but you want to change out the chassis and the EFI relays. And here's a tip: if you use aftermarket relays, the same thing as Polaris, but they're aftermarkets. I want to show you something. The lettering goes upside down. You see, these are the stock relays here, okay? Aftermarket, the lettering, and the Polaris is probably going to be true here too, is that the lettering goes upside down to get this thing to work. And let's see here, this is the EFI and this is the chassis. These are the two you need to change out to make the darn thing start at 35 degrees and below. So anyway, that's my tip of the day for you, YouTube. Tell you what, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.